Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Sandile Ndladla Ringubande. I'm here to invite you to partner with me in this YouTube channel called Think Like a Lawyer. I believe that this channel will be of great help to you if you are a law student wanting to excel in your studies, or you are interested in studying law in the future. You might want to have some background knowledge about what you are getting yourself into, or you are just an ordinary person who wants to know his or her rights. I believe that law affects you in every part of your life, whether you like it or not. So having some knowledge about law will help you understand most of the things that happen around you, from the government, from how the government functions to how the law can solve your personal situations. Please subscribe to this channel and do not forget to hit the notification bell so that you may be notified whenever we upload a video about law. We will basically upload law videos ranging from law lectures to analyzing cases and critiquing the law. I therefore invite you to like, share, and comment on our videos. Give us feedback so that we can make improvements where we can. Your contributions are highly appreciated. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. once said, "Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere." Thank you.